To connect a printer to Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all we need to go to the settings. Now over here choose connected devices, open connection preferences, and over here we have printing. Now you should be able to, for example, start with the default print service in order to search for printers. And if you manage to detect your printer over here, then of course that's good, you can select it over here, etc. And you can use it to print from your phone. However, in some other cases you need to add a plugin or download a plugin. So over here we can press add service, and then over here let's select the Play Store. In my case I have to select it over here. There we go. And you should be able to download the plugin for the specific printer. Of course, in some cases, some printers require you to download very specific apps that you can find about, for example, in the manual of the printer. So be sure to check that out in case you still have issues with connecting your printer. Unfortunately, every printer can be set up in many different ways. Usually the user manual specifically requires you to do certain steps in order to successfully connect. So it is quite difficult to show it in a single video, but the general idea is that you need to either find it over here in default print service, you need to get the plugin from the service list from the Play Store, or you need to download the specific app that is most likely mentioned in the manual of the printer. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!